Bismillāh. Welcome, dear heart. Take a gentle breath in and slowly let it go. Allow yourself to arrive right here, right now. You are in this safe space. There is nothing you need to do, nothing you need to fix, just permission to be. Slowly begin by noticing your surroundings. Let your eyes softly scan the space you're in. Maybe the light in the room, the shapes, the colors, the gentle contrast of shadows. Let your nervous system take in these cues of safety, the stillness of the walls, the familiarity of your space, the quiet hum of life continuing around you. This is orienting, a natural way your body communicates with safety. When you allow your eyes and awareness to wander softly through your environment, you are telling your nervous system, I am not in danger. I can rest here. Now gently bring your awareness to your hearing. What sounds can you notice right now? Perhaps the faint sound of your breath, or a clock ticking, or even the quiet of the room itself. Let every sound, near or distant, simply remind you that life continues safely around you. You are a part of that flow, and Allah, the most merciful, surrounds you with His protection even when you cannot see it. Take another slow breath in through the nose and exhale softly through the mouth. Each breath is a signal, a whisper to your body that it can release the armor of alertness and soften. Feel the ground beneath you, supporting you steady and dependable. Let it hold your weight completely. You do not have to carry yourself right now. You are being held by the earth and by the mercy of Allah, who says, He is with you wherever you are. Let that truth settle gently into your body. You are never alone, never unseen, never unprotected. Now begin to notice your internal landscape. Without judgment, only curiosity and gentleness. Where do you feel tension or tightness in your body today? Where do you sense openness, lightness, or calm? Every sensation is a message, a way your nervous system communicates with you. You don't need to change anything, simply listen. If you feel anxious or tense anywhere, you might place a hand there, perhaps on your chest, your heart, or your belly, and breathe gently into that space. Inhale peace, exhale release. If emotions arise, let them flow as they wish. They are simply energy moving through you, seeking safety and expression. Remember, safety is not the absence of emotion. It's the presence of compassion. You are allowed to feel. You are allowed to soften. You are allowed to be held. Bring your awareness to your breath again. Notice how each inhale expands you slightly, and each exhale brings a small sense of relief. And the breath is a gift from Allah, a sign that His mercy flows through you moment by moment. It is ar-Raḥmān breathing life into you again and again. Now imagine a soft light, perhaps golden, warm and gentle, entering with each breath. It fills your heart space, soothing the nervous system, reminding every cell you are safe now. And as you exhale, imagine that light expanding outward, creating a gentle field of calm and mercy around you. This is your emotional sanctuary. You're in the home of peace. No matter where life takes you, you can return here to this sense of regulated, divine calm. As your body rests, your vagus nerve, the great communicator between body and mind, begins to settle, sending signals of calm throughout your system. You may notice your heartbeat slowing slightly, your breathing deepening, your muscles softening. This is the body returning to safety. And within that safety, your heart can reopen. The part of you that once braced for impact can now rest in trust. Trust in the one who never leaves. Indeed, in the remembrance of Allah, do hearts find rest. Let that remembrance fill you now, not as a thought, but as a feeling, a deep knowing that you are protected, you are guided, you are loved beyond measure. Now let's gently invite this feeling of safety to anchor into your body as a resource you can return to whenever you need. Imagine that each breath you take weaves calm into your very being, like threads of peace stitching themselves into your heart, your nervous system, your mind. Repeat silently in your heart, I am safe in Allah's care. My heart rests in His mercy. My body softens in His peace. Let your body memorize that, the breath, the rhythm, the ease. And when you step back into your day, this sense of calm will remain quietly beneath the surface, a whisper reminding you that you are never separate from divine protection. Now take a deep final breath in, and as you exhale, allow a quiet dua to rise from your heart. O Allah, source of peace, wrap me in your safety and light. Let my heart rest in your presence. Help me feel grounded in your mercy and calm in the knowledge that you are near. Guide my nervous system to remember peace and teach my body to rest in your care. Amen. Stay here for a few more breaths, absorbing the stillness, noticing how it feels to be held, safe, and seen. Whenever you feel ready, you may slowly bring gentle movement back into your body, moving your fingers and toes, maybe rolling your shoulders. And as you return, carry this peace with you, because it was never outside of you. It was always within, a reflection of Allah's calm, alive in your heart.